Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a quick and simple guide on how to enable animated stickers on the Telegram app for PC. With the latest update, Telegram has added more customization options, and enabling animated stickers can make your chats more fun and expressive. If you've noticed that your stickers aren't moving or you just want to make sure animations are turned on, this tutorial will help you get everything set up in just a few steps. The very first thing you need to do is open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, look at the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see three horizontal lines. This is the main menu button, and clicking on it will reveal a list of different options. From this menu, go ahead and select Settings. This is where you'll find all of the controls to manage your app preferences. After opening Settings, you'll notice several categories, but the one we're interested in is called Battery and Animations. Click on that to move into the section where animation controls are located. Inside this menu, you'll find the option for animated stickers. By default, this setting may sometimes be off, especially if you've previously chosen to conserve battery or reduce motion effects. To make sure your stickers are lively and fully animated, simply switch this option on. After you've enabled animated stickers, don't forget the final step. Click on Save. This is very important because it makes sure your choice is applied and stored. If you skip this step, your changes won't take effect, and you'll still see stickers in their static version. Once you've saved, go ahead and return to any of your chats. Send a sticker, and you'll instantly notice the difference. The stickers will now appear in their smooth, animated form, adding energy and personality to your messages. That's all it takes. Just a few clicks, and you've unlocked animated stickers on Telegram for PC. Whether you use Telegram for casual chats or work groups, animations help make your conversations more engaging. If you found this step-by-step walkthrough helpful, make sure to check back for more tips and tutorials on the latest Telegram updates. Thanks for watching.